Hello guys, so today we're going to make a video to explain to you guys how we replace the broken glass for iPhone 11 Pro Max. We're going to do this video, it's like tutorial, so we're going to do the video with all the details. We're going to try to explain to you guys as much as possible. So hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get started. The screen in my hand, so this one is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I'm gonna explain to you guys the materials and also the tools we're gonna be using during the video. So this is the glass with Olga. This is from Must Be. This is the brand we're using for the materials and material. And we have this one. This is the tool for glue removing. And we have the cotton wear. This is also from Must Be. And this is the materials we have here, and we also have some another tools here on this table. And this is the separator. We're also going to be using the separator, and also we have the preheater. This is like for mass production. If you have very big quantities, so sometimes you need to use this for preheating, and this is for the UV light. And let's go to the other side of the. So we do the separation on the other side and also the glue removing. So after that, we use this lamination laminator, or you guys can call this laminating machine. Okay, this is for lamination. You do the alignment, you do the lamination here. So after that, you put into the bubble remover. So this is like the whole process very fast. Actually, sometimes you can do this very fast, especially for iPhone, for the flat screens. Okay, but today I'm gonna ask my technician to do this whole process for you guys because okay, so he's very experienced, he's very professional, and he's very experienced technician. So I'm gonna let him to do the process for you guys. I can't do this, but I just want to show you guys the professional way. So I hope you guys can learn something from this video. So normally we use the film. We apply film on it, and with this UV glue. This is what we do. Okay. So get closer. Maybe get closer to see this closer, because you have to get rid of all the bubbles. Yeah. You know, sometimes you can use tape. You can use tape, but sometimes we use the UV glue because UV glue can get inside of those small tiny pieces, the glasses, inside of those tiny glasses, so you can put all the you can gather all those small tiny pieces. So this is the reason we're using the UV glue. And now we're gonna put into the UV light. We have a light, we have a screen here, and 15 seconds. So after 15 seconds, we're gonna take it out and use the separator to separate the glass, the broken glass. Yeah, 4 seconds. So okay, now here we go. Here we are. So we try not to edit the video, so make like one video as possible. In this case, you guys can see the whole process. Actually, a lot of people, they want to see the video like without editing the video, but we try. Okay. First step, you have to use a metal. Actually, we're using a metal plate. Probably from this side is better. Charles, from this side probably is better. Okay, from that side, okay. Sometimes you can use like a hotter the metal plate. Actually, this one that we are having here, it's a little bit soft. So sometimes I recommend you guys to use a little bit thicker than this one. Now you use a plier to cut off the frame on the top. Very important, notice you here, you have to use your finger to hold here, but use alcohol to take it off. Also here, this part, okay, probably you can, yeah, I don't know if you can see this, give me this camera, so probably I'm gonna give you guys like a very close look. Very soft, right? It's not very, okay. You have to push, you push it, okay. You clean the glue. Okay, now we're gonna do the separation, right? The cutting where? The cutting where? Are you gonna use the? I probably can make it closer to let you guys see how he enters the cutting wheel. He's preparing. Okay, now from which side? Okay, from this side. So you don't even, it doesn't even look at it. It's always his feeling. That's it. That's it. Easy. Holy fuck, just one. That's it. That's it. Okay. So that's why I want him to show you guys the whole process. I know how to make it, but I'm not. Okay, Charles, from another side, from your side, okay? Because from my side it's not very clear. So from your side. He's using his hand, but sometimes I'm using a glue remover, but he's using his hand. Okay, anyway, just choose the way, so which is suitable for you, which is the best way for you. So sometimes people they are using their hand, but some people they like to use the, the glue remover. That's it, very clean. So we're going to another next step. Alcohol. Okay, come in. Alcohol. This is alcohol. Mm-hmm. No, we don't. There you go. There you go. We have to clean it. Yeah? Okay. Just for those new beginners. So when you clean the glass screen, you from one side to another side. So into like this. Yes. Okay. This is the way how we clean the screen. I know this video for a lot of you guys, this is like a very basic, but for some new beginners, probably this video is useful. So I hope you guys can, especially for those new beginners, you guys can learn something, can benefit from this video. I'm trying to make it without stop, okay? So this is the glass with Olga from Master B. This is our material brand must be. So you guys, if you guys need the materials, you guys can contact our sellers, our salesmen. Okay, you use the alignment mode first, then use the lamination mode. Then put it inside of the screen. Okay, now we check the, the temperature 40 degrees and 20 seconds. Is that okay? 15 seconds? And also the 0.25, is that okay? Perfect. Make sure 40, 20, 0.25, 15 seconds. Let's go. Okay, now let's take it out. There is a little bit bubbles on the, so we just put into the bubble remover. Okay, let's put into the bubble remover. Okay, let's start. Eh? The air. Okay. Okay, normally it takes like, to be honest, this tiny bubbles only 2 minutes, but you can leave it there for 5 minutes. It's okay. So let's wait for. We have to stop the video because nobody wants to stay like there for like 5 or 10 minutes to wait to see the results. So we're gonna see the result, but the video will have to stop. Okay. So we stop the video and come back in 5-10 minutes. See you guys later. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes, and let's take it out to see how the how's the result. Okay. We're gonna let's see from here. I think it's better. Can we see this clear? No bubbles at all, right? And it's beautiful. I'm gonna ask my technician to test the screen and let you guys see the result. Okay. Beautiful. And this is the whole process for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video and also benefit from the video. And if you guys have any questions, you can leave your question in the comment area. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.